Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the expert option trading application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, you can tap on the search button. And now just type in expert option to begin your search. Once you find the expert option mobile trading app, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of this application on your device. Wait for a while until the installation is done. And when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application. And now you will be greeted by the guide towards the application. You can skip it if you wish and directly begin your registration. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the expert option trading app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.